in Manila. Tonight we're gonna get on the bus and it's gonna be like a 9 or 10 hour bus ride to get to the first stop. We ended up staying in Manila 2 more nights than we were planning on it, just because. This is our hostel room, the second one that we stayed at. The first one was a 8-person room, I think. This one's a 4. And nobody's in here right now. That's technically my bunk, but I slept down there, and Xavier's bunk. We get in here, we have a little light, a little outlet. Xavier's mom will be proud. I have some lavender there. Here's the view. We will just hang out here until it's time to go to the bus station. So, yeah. Just made it to the bus station after a taxi ride took us to the wrong bus station. But we made it. So now we only have to wait for about 3 more hours until we can leave. So, it'll be fun.
It's Manila. Yeah, we arrived 3 hours early. We're here, but we got here before the bus left, and in Manila, beating traffic is all it's about.
Yeah. So we made it. We're good. I got a little sunburn, but that's okay. And we made it up the hike barely, but it's fine. red horse.
And then we have.
And then, wait, let's focus. Say it again.
And then we have this view to enjoy our beers with.
That's a straight drop off if we lean too far. Here we are. This is my life.
You're like super dry.
Tulgawis. I do a lot of full arm, full back,
Oh, really?
yeah,
Wow.
and chest also.
Very intense.
Kamusta naman ang paupo sa ibabaw ng jeep? Kamusta?
Alright, we're on our way down. All the way over there. And it'll be fun. Now I need to pay attention to my walking so I don't die.
It's only 8:28.
Wow, this is crazy. We made it. We're both really out of shape.